Woo! Want to play Duck Duck Right Up? There's not many people. Oh. Okay, want to play Chutes and Ladders? I don't know how to play it. How about want to play Battleship? I don't like Battleship. How about I can't think of one. Connect 4? I always lose. You don't know how to play? Yeah. It looks like you have to connect 2, but you're supposed to connect 4. I know. I always lose. Well, someday you can win. Okay. I want to play video games. I don't agree. Come on. I call rock, paper, scissors. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Woo, I win! I got a rock. Rock smashes scissors. I didn't know that.